Dear students, this is subject zoology for class 12th, and the chapter which we are dealing already, that is genetics and evolution. This is the second chapter in biology. This time we are dealing with genetic disorders. Among the various genetic disorders which we have discussed, one of the more important is Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is a type of syndrome which is the multiple gene defect. It is one of the most common type of female genetic disorders. It is one of the most important female genetic disorders, what we call as the Turner syndrome. It is characterized by the most pronounced characteristic feature in this syndrome or disorder is hypogonadism. Hypogonadism in females. Whenever we find this, the incidence rate of these individuals among the human population, that is 2,500 to 3,000 such human beings can be found as incidence rate from the live births. That is, among the 2,500 to 3,500 individuals which are live births, one individual can be found among this group of human population of females. It was first discovered by H.H. Turner. H.H. Turner, the scientist, in 1938. Hence, this disorder is called as Turner syndrome. There are a number of characteristic features with reference to this Turner's syndrome. The cause of this Turner syndrome is karyotypic studies show that the genotype of female suffering from Turner syndrome has 45 chromosomes instead of 46. The internal combination is 44 plus X and 0. This means the 22 pairs are 44 chromosomes of autosomes are same. They are normal. But so far the sex chromosomes in females is concerned, there is only one X, the second X is lacking, that is 0. In which X chromosome is less than the normal karyotype. The normal karyotype in females is 44 plus XX. This X chromosome or one of the two X chromosomes is lacking, that is represented by 0. This leads to less femaleness, less feminine character. Less feminine character as 2X as sex chromosomes are sufficient for the normal female characteristic features with regard to genes. So the female is monozomic. Total number of chromosomes is 45 instead of normal 46. There are some clinical symptoms of this disease, of this syndrome. They are short stature, that means the structure is short, underdeveloped breasts, underdeveloped breasts. The developed breasts include is the characteristic feature in females, but the underdeveloped breasts is the incidence of low feminine character. The ovaries and uterus are reduced. Ovaries and uterus are reduced. This is also one of the less feminine character. No oogenesis and no menstrual cycle. Little pubic hair, mental retardation, infertility, webbing of neck, peripheral lymphedema. heavy neck muscles, somatic cells with no sex chromosome. How does this Turner syndrome originate? It originates from the development of an abnormal zygote by the fusion of an abnormal egg with no X chromosome. When the abnormal zygote fuses, when the abnormal zygote that is formed by the fusion of an abnormal egg with no X chromosome and a normal geniosperm, sperm with X chromosome. That is the result of the formation of this type of individual. The sperm is abnormal also with no X chromosome. The result is the formation of this type of combination at the time of embryological development, especially at the time of fertilization. This is all about the Turner syndrome in genetics. That's all.